こんにちは、谷口です。今日はカナダからわざわざ学びに来てくださいましたマックスさんに今ちょうど講義が終わったところなのでインタビューさせていただきたいと思います。Max, thank you for joining our lecture.
Of course, thank you for having me.
So, yeah, I think you are already working in your country, and you are a special therapist, right? And then also, could you introduce by yourself? Very small. It's very short. It's okay.
Sure, yeah. I'm a registered massage therapist in Canada from Vancouver. I've been practicing for 2 years, and I sought out Mitsutoshi Sensei's, Taniguchi Sensei's
no problem.
knowledge to increase my practical experience and application.
Yeah, so he is a he's a specialist in Canada, and then only 2 days, but we get an email, and then I sent the email, and then maybe next day he gave me a good email, and then for long mail and a very polite email. So maybe he is very good man, I think. So and after mail we got a meeting on the Zoom, and a very good looking guy, and then and he is a English speaker, of course, very well, and then I'm not a good English speaker, but he every time he use very easy English. He chosen, and he is speaking English, so we can make a very good relation. And then I think this lecture is very smoothing, and then every time he asked me, and then that time I maybe how about my answer is okay? You understand everything?
Always.
Thank you.
Whenever in doubt, we always look at our phones and apps that would help.
Yeah. So now AI is very good. So and I can translate. It's very difficult to answer, and AI helped me. And then how about this answer is good? And then he read it, and then already he chosen the very easy English. He asked me, but of course sometime I can understand it. His really correct English. So and we always use AI, and then but it's very good situation. So how about today's? It's you are enough our lecture.
Enough and more. I'm surprised how much energy you have. You can go throughout the whole day. We've been studying for over 8 hours. I've crammed a lot in my brain. It's going to take some time to work through it and understand everything we've done today. But it's been a lot. It's been excellent.
Thank you so much. And only 2 days, but he already studied on my video, and then already he knows my Taniguchi method, and so this time I want to focus for how to use technique or pressure. I forget the English pressure, and you told me the moving.
Oh yes. Direction.
Direction is very important. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. So and he is a special therapist too. So he taught me his technique. It's very interesting. So and he mastered my Taniguchi method, especially Keirak head care. And maybe you are sleep disorders, aren't you? Please, we'll go to his clinic in Vancouver. Vancouver I've never been to, but according to a book or a newspaper, and very, very beautiful.
Not as beautiful as Japan.
Oh, really? Wow. We have to go. Anyway, when someone watching this video, maybe that you are thinking about joint lecture, our lecture. So please please give them the good advice. This our lectures. Maybe thinking about this lecture.
Any advice I would give to anyone seeking
Yes.
to study with you?
Yes, please.
Sure. You talk about a very easy man or teacher to approach. I don't think I've had someone who's able to answer and so willing to answer my questions. Taniguchi-sensei has a lot of knowledge to offer, and we work very closely, very intimately. Not an opportunity I've had anywhere else in the world to work so closely with my sensei here. The knowledge I've learned has been great and vast, and only in 2 days. It's been excellent. I would certainly be coming back for more education.
Thank you so much. And so I hope you will come back to Japan very soon.
I intend to.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, 頑張りましょう。ありがとうございました。Thank you for watching our video, the end of my video. So see you next time.